What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. I really appreciate you tuning in once again. I got a huge unboxing. It's the most expensive shoe I've purchased on Soul Steals to this day, and I'm also announcing a giveaway right before I unbox that big purchase. I have another few sneakers here that I want to show you guys, so stay tuned to the end, you guys. Giveaway and a big shoe at the end. So just to get right into it, I don't want to keep you guys waiting. This first shoe, you guys, I picked up, actually, excuse me, I picked up from my buddy. His name is Hamoud. Here we go. It's the Dunk Low. It's a women's. I think it's the Photon Dust. So light gray and white sneaker, you guys. You got the gray bottoms. This is a tiny sneaker. It's like a 6Y, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it's a 6W for women. So you got the Nike stitching right there. You got a very faint Nike labeling right there on the tongue. But I think these are very clean dunks, you guys. Pretty much wear them with anything, honestly. But yeah, that's the first shoe. I really like these right here. Just unable to get my size because it's a women's size, and it was like the last pair sitting at finish line, and my buddy got it. This next shoe, you guys, I think is really a really clean sneaker. I saw these sitting at Jimmy Jazz, and you got extra white laces, which mids never come with extra laces, so it's impressive that these actually come with extra laces. Actually, no, excuse me, I got these from Finish Line, not Jimmy Jazz. But yeah, the side right here, you guys, is suede, so a nice pink suede right there with the yellow swoosh. You got some yellow right there, Jumpman air tag. And then on the back also is suede, the Wings logo in black right there, and then you got like a peach bottom. But yeah, really nice mid, you guys. I don't normally see suede on mids. Like, this is a really nice quality mid, you guys. And then also the multicolored laces right here, like a yellow and pink, maybe a peach and pink. But yeah, really nice summer colorway for a mid, and like I said, extra laces, which is like unheard of for a mid. But let's move on to the next shoe right here, you guys. I walked into Finish Line and got the last pair of these that were sitting on the shelf. Another women's shoe, and this is the 11 Low Citrus. You got the citrus bottoms, you got the citrus branding right there, and then you got a nice white clean tongue up here. You got the Jumpman on the back, like Lowe's normally have, all white upper with the patent leather, of course. But yeah, this is a 7 in women's, and another nice summer colorway for a Low, you guys. It came out about the same time as the 11 Low Legends. So yeah, two really nice summer 11 Lows that came out back to back for men and for women. Really clean shoes, you guys. But yeah, that's the next shoe. These actually come with extra laces. Let me pull out the extra laces. It's another pair of rope laces right here that come with. Actually, these are more like a woven lace, and these are more like a flat lace. So yeah, a little bit of a difference with the laces there, but it's nice that it comes with extra laces. I really always appreciate that, especially, you know, when you're paying 180 and up. So before I get into the really big purchase that I got sitting here, you guys, I'm announcing the giveaway for, you know, for the next 3 weeks. I'm probably gonna let that run for a few weeks. I'll post it on IG, you guys, and just you know, the basic, you know, tag 3 friends, help share the giveaway and the content, and it just goes a long way for me in growing the channel. So I really appreciate the support, and if you guys are rocking with me, I want you guys to eat. You know, I'm eating, and I want you guys to eat, and that's why I've been giving away since day one, and I'm gonna give away until the end of my YouTube career. So and it's just begun. It's only been, you know, a year. So my giveaway, you guys, is actually the Jordan 1 Shadow right here. Check it out. It just recently came out. I ended up getting a few pairs, and I had a pair to spare, so I'm giving these away, you guys. Really clean black and gray Shadow, you guys. They're going for about $245. This is a size 10, but you know, you guys can, if you win, if it's not your size, you can sell it, trade it. You know, if it is your size, rock it if you want. But yeah, like I said, you guys, I'm eating, and if you're rocking with me, I want you to eat too. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting a picture of these on IG real soon, And yeah, just, you know, enter the giveaway, subscribe, follow, you know, tag a few friends, and that's all I ask. So without further ado, let's get into the banger, you guys, the banger. And I surprised myself by purchasing these shoes. I have them already, so if that doesn't give you a hint of what it is, then just stay tuned. Here we go. I'm shaking my head because these have been sitting down here for like a few days now, and I haven't opened them. And you know, I already have them, so I'm not going to be that surprised or shocked. You're not going to get a huge reaction out of me, but they're my size. So the size that I have now is not my size. These are my size. So let's flip this box upside down because I got it on the wrong side. So I don't know if you guys can see the box, but here's the box, you guys. Here's the box. Here you go. Yes. Yes. Once again, you guys. Once again. Bust this baby open. And here we go. We got another pair of Air Dior's, you guys, in a size 10. Air Dior highs from Soul Steals. These things cost quite a bit, but I got a great deal. Soul Steals is where it's at, you guys. Let me see what number this one is. It's 4,448 out of 8,500. Let me see if I can show you guys that. 4,448 out of 8,500 right there. But yeah, another pair of Air Dior's, you guys. I was sick when I hit the purchase button, and like, these are my size. These are size 10. The ones on the wall are 10.5. So I don't know, there isn't much of a difference in sizing. Let me compare them a little bit here. Yeah, just a teeny bit. You can tell the half size. This one is a half size bigger, but I don't know. These things I feel like are gonna go up, and that's why I made a second purchase, because you know, in a year from now I think they're gonna jump. And so I think I just pretty much made an investment, a long-term investment, with another pair of these. And let's pull out, let's see here, what else is in here? Obviously the other shoe, invoice. They got the extra laces kind of just thrown in here, which not really cool, but it is what it is. You got the insoles, obviously, the other shoe right here with the Wings logo on the bottom right there. And then let me see, hopefully it's not missing. Maybe it's in the pouch here, in this little thing here. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I hope it's not missing the Wings logo and the hang tags, the accessories. If it's missing the accessories, that's gonna break my heart, because the accessories actually, the accessories are, you know, they affect the resale value. And I'm not seeing the accessories, which that's kind of, you know, that worries me a little bit, honestly. Well, I guess there's a little drama there for you. I'm looking for them, but I don't see them. They're supposed to come with the metal hang tag, like I have on here, you guys. Check it out right here. You got the Air Dior hang tag, Jumpman, and the Air Dior right there. So it's supposed to come with these, and my first pair did, because I bought them off of GOAT. But this pair off of Soul Steals did not come with that. So, well, I guess maybe that's why they sold them at the price they did. But you know, it did say dead stock, and it didn't say missing accessories. If it would have said missing accessories, I probably wouldn't have bought them. But that's kind of disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of disappointing that it's missing accessories. Anywho, it is what it is. We'll see. Maybe I'll hit Soul Steals up and see what's up with that. But anyway, that's it for the video, you guys. I love to give back. I'm going to continue to give back. And stay tuned for the post on my IG. It's at Nazim Saligi. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I have a few more sneakers that I purchased recently on StockX and on GOAT. So, you know, I'm just growing the collection, and I have 3 more bangers coming. So stay tuned for that. Can't wait to show you guys. And thank you for watching. Take care. Peace.